Hello students, good afternoon. In our last lecture, we had learned about common multiples. Okay. Now, today's topic for our lecture is odd and even number. See here, odd and even numbers. First of all, we see what is the definition of an odd number. Odd numbers. Any integer that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is an odd number. The last digit of an odd number is always 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. For example, the number 35, 107, 1129, that is 1129. These numbers are an odd numbers. Now, even numbers. Any integer that can be divided exactly by 2 is an even number. The last digit of an even number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 always. Okay. For example, 22, 108, 1250. Okay. These are the examples of even numbers. Now, we will see next concept, that is the concept of odd and even with operations. Now, see here, addition, that is adding an even number with an even number. Okay. Now, see here, we have 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, we have to add here. Here we have 4 blocks plus even number, that is 2 blocks. Okay. When we add an even number with an even number, we get an even number itself. Okay. Means when we add an even number with even number, we get an even number as a result. So 4 plus 2, that is 6, which is an even number. Okay. Now, next concept. When we add an odd number with an even number, when we add odd number with an even number, we get the result as odd number. See here, we have 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is an odd number, and here we have 2 blocks, which is even. So when we add 5 and 2, we get the result as how much? It will be 7. Okay, right, and 7 is an odd number. Next concept. When we add an odd number with an odd number, both are odd numbers, then we get the result as an even number. See here, we have 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blocks, and we have to add with these 3 blocks. As all of you know, 5 and 3 are odd numbers. So when we add 5 and 3, we get 5 plus 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 blocks. That is, 8 is an even number. Okay. Now, next concept, subtracting. See here. When an even number is subtracted from an even number, we get the result as an even number. Okay. Now see here we have 4 blocks. Out of these 4 blocks, we have to cut 2 blocks. We have to remove these 2 blocks. Then what is left? We had left only 2 blocks. Okay. As we know, 4 is an even number and we have to cut 2 blocks, which is also an even number, and the result we get, that is also an even number. Okay. Next concept. When we subtract an even number from an odd number, okay, odd number minus an even number, we get an odd number as a result. Okay. Now see here, we have total 7 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we know 7 is an odd number. When we cut these 2 blocks, from that 7, we get an odd number. Okay. So 7 minus 2, it will be 5. So what is our answer? That is 5. Now next concept. When we subtract an odd number from an odd number, so we get the result as an even number. Okay. See here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 blocks. Out of these 9 blocks, we have to cut 3 blocks, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 blocks are cut. Then how many boxes are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we know 6 is an even number. So here we have 6 as an answer. Now next concept, that is multiplying. Okay. See here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 blocks, and a group of 4 is done here. First group, second group, third group and fourth group. Means when we multiply 4 blocks with 4 groups, we get total as 16 blocks. Means when an even number is multiplied with an even number, we get the result as even number. Okay. We get the result as even number. Okay. Now see here. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. A group of 4 is done here. And there are 3 groups. So when an odd number is multiplied with an even number, that is 3 is an odd number multiplied with 4, that is even number, then we get the result as 4 3s are 12. So which is an even number. Now when an odd number is multiplied with odd number, say here we have group of 3 boxes, right? 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and there are 3 groups. So when we multiplied an odd number, that is 3 boxes with 3 groups, we get the result as 3 3s are 9. Total when we count all these boxes, it will be how much? 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 9 boxes. Means when we multiply an odd number with an odd number, we get the result as odd number. Okay. I hope all of you understood the concept of odd and even numbers. Thank you.